Good day to all your beautiful people out there. I say good day because I don't know when you watch this if it's going to morning, night or noon. And this is pleased to meet you. The reason for this little video or recording is because I'm very excited. My husband gave me a beautiful birthday present, a little mini facelift. So here is now what you're looking at is the before and the little nekkie and the little, we call this in Afrikaans kalkoennekkie. So that is going to be something that is going to be of the past. Okay, now nothing on the forehead, but let me take my hat off. I have already greeted you. So here's my hair, and then very excited. So I thought now what to do beforehand and what to do after, and you really don't know what is going on. So, but you don't need to stress about it. You don't need to go on a 3 months diet like at your wedding that you need to fit into a dress. No. Our wonder doctor, Dr Marshall Murdock, is going to do everything for you. He is the designer, so to speak. Now, I'm going in on Monday at 9 o'clock. Got all the prescriptions I need to have. And I thought to myself, let me go and do my eyebrows, you know. So when I lie down there, I look gorgeous. And for the first time, I did a nose wax. And people have asked me, well, why nose? It's the first time I've done it. But I thought it's interesting, but it's not necessary for you to do it because everything will be done for you. Now, there's a couple of procedures. I'm going to do a little cutty there, and this is going to be taken away, and then the skin will be all pulled to the side. This is the knowledge I know now. Later on, you will meet the magician himself that will maybe tell you more about it. Then they are going to cut inside my nose to lift up my lip. Do you know that as women, not men, as women, this little piece to there gets longer as we get older, like everything else, down to the ground. So he is going to lift that up. Oh yeah, it needs to be 15 millimeters. Mine is 18, so you can measure yours if you would like, from there to the top of your lip. So, of course, I'm not going to be a fishy. He's just going to lift it so that is a little bit more in proportion. Oh yeah, and there's definitely going to be, what else? Oh yeah, he's going to do my eyes. Can you see this little umbrella coming over, you know, like when a VIP dies, you know, half-mast, the flags. So, this will be tucked up. This will be all be nice. I'm not saying my eyebrows is going to be at the top, whatever. It's just going to be tucked up there. Yeah, so I think that's it. Yeah, then after the operation, that they're giving you like a neck thing to put over so that you can keep, because remember now, they make this little thing there, and this is all liposuction there. Oh, and the added one, he's going to take some fat. So, you don't know, I don't know if it's going to be from my well-shaped bum or from my stomach. And then he's got this machine that I would say mince it or whatever. I don't know the medical term. I'm sure he will explain to you. That's why this is one of many episodes. How many episodes, we don't know. See how it goes. And then because he's going to then also put collagen. No, it's not collagen. It's the fat. It's the good fat. Yeah, I think as I understand it, it's the Rolls-Royce fat, then it's the Mercedes fat, and then it's the Volkswagen fat. So I think he put the Jag fat in. But that I'm not 100%. This is all that I know with a little bit of info there and a little bit of info there. But he gives you confidence. He is a wonderful human being. You can actually ask him anything. Because you have to tell him what you don't like in your face. Oh, and this, we're also going to have a peel, because we have to activate this, because this little, we call it little smoke dips, I will call it. That will also be filled. It sounds, I'm a little frightened. But I ask myself, what is the end result? The end result is just, we all want to look beautiful. And I want to look gorgeous. So this is the end. The episodes will come. Watch this space. So now, first, let me show you my skin here. I've already showed you my little kalkoen dingetjie there. I showed you my eyes. And then here's my lips, you see, full of little dippies. As the little girl asked my grandma, said, "Grandma, are you sure you don't want to iron your lips there at the top, just to get the creases out?" So, our miracle man is going to take the creases out. So, goodbye, etc. And of course, I'm going to recover at the place in Knysna called Rexford Manor. They look after you. They go and pick you up at the airport. They take you to the hospital. If there's anything that you feel like you want, it's there. And they look after you. They will come into your room many times to check on you. So you are not just left there and say, there, ta-ta. Like they have got all of these overseas things, say, oh, this marvelous 5-star hotel at the sea, and they leave you there all by yourself in pain. No, you will be never left alone. You will just be a little bell away for anything you want. So yeah, that is the place I'm going to stay. And the owner, one of the owners, Rian, will take care of you. I don't know if I said to him, he must maybe put on his fishnet stockings with his sister's uniform, but he said no, that's a little bit going too far. But in any case, he will take care of you, and you will have a wonderful stay. So, bye-bye for now. I think this is it. Oh yeah, cheers to my operation. And let's just say happy landings. Cheers.